Welcome back to Lizelle at Home. For today's vlog, magluluto ako ng seafood pasta. It is a collaboration once again of Kusina ni Daddy. Please watch his own version. Ilalagay ko sa description box. For the meantime, please watch his intro. Around the world, especially our founder, Jad's Foodie and More. Please check also his channel. Napakagaling niyang magluto. And shoutout also sa aking mga members at sa mga super chatters ko. So, without any further ado, let's start cooking! Ang mga ingredients na kakailanganin ay seafoods cocktail, shrimp, octopus, mussels. Also, gagamit din tayo dito ng white wine, butter, garlic, white onion. Gagamit din ako dito ng dill, 1 cup of heavy cream or cooking cream, and spaghetti. Mas maliit siya sa spaghetti size. So, let's start cooking.
In a boiling water, cook the spaghetti in a large pot of salted water. Cook according to the package direction. In my pasta, it is about 8 to 10 minutes before al dente. Then after that, drain, wash with cold water, and then set aside. In a large pan, heat 1 tablespoon of butter over medium heat. Add onions. Cook for about 1 minute or until become translucent. Then add garlic. Cook for about 1 minute again or until lightly brown. Isunod na igisa ay ang tahong o mussels. Haluin lang ito ng mga 10 seconds. And then, ilagay na ang remaining cocktail seafoods. Haluin ulit, lagyan ng asin at paminta. Stir again. Isunod na ilagay ay ang 1 cup of white wine. Haluin, takpan hanggang sa kumulo. Naglagay din ako dito ng 2 tablespoon of lemon juice para pampawala ng lansa. Next na ilagay ay ang heavy cream. Mas maganda kung may cooking cream. Haluin at pag nahalo na, pwede nang ilagay yung dill, i-mix ulit. red curry paste, it is not mentioned earlier doon sa ingredients kasi naisipan ko lang na maglagay nito doon sa sauce para sa extra kick ng spiciness doon sa sauce na gagamitin. Para na rin match sa seafoods at sa pasta. It is a style of Thailand version pero cream kasi to instead of coconut cream. Ayan, luto na. Ready for plating na. Panoorin nyo na lang kung paano ako mag-plating. Hindi masyadong magaling. Hindi masyadong maganda. Pero I think medyo malinis naman. So, bye guys! And thank you for watching. See you again on my next cooking. And please, try ninyo yung recipe ko, my own version. Kahit na walang red curry paste, masarap pa rin. Medyo sweet ang lasa nito. So, bye!